National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 641, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Tennessee: Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Nashville at 1 p.m.
Page 2 of 2. Accessories and
Mostly sunny.
flash
The
low.
temperature
Count
was
camera.
92
Code scanner.
degrees. Dew
Selected.
point was
Screen